What is up, my love bugs? My name is Sam and welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little rough right now, but that's alright because today is finally the video that you guys have been waiting for, and it's the makeup room tour! Yay! This video is not going to be very long just because I just showed you the inside of my drawers and took some cool artsy shots, and that was it. Also, I know that I've been gone for about 2 weeks, but if you didn't know, I live in Florida, and the Panhandle just recently got hit by Hurricane Michael, and that was really scary. Thankfully, my house and all my friends are alright. Their houses are fine. We live on the west end of the beach, so it didn't get hit nearly as hard. But in town, it got hit really, really hard, and I haven't had Wi-Fi, I haven't had service. I mean, we recently just got water and power back, so we're really lucky and thankful that we didn't get hit nearly as hard as everyone else did. My thoughts and prayers go out to everybody that was affected and that their houses got damaged. But because of Hurricane Michael showing up, the red tide is back. And if you don't live in Florida and you don't know what the red tide is, it is just bacteria in the ocean that is the devil. And it makes your eyes water, it makes you cough, makes you sneeze, it makes your nose really runny, and that's why I'm a mess today. But yeah, so I sound sister sick, even though I'm not. We're just gonna jump right into this, and if the quality changes, I'm sorry. I used my phone for some of it, I used my camera for some of it, just because it was easier that way. And yeah, that's it. So let's jump right into this very short makeup room tour. Okay, so when you first walk in, this is it in all of its glory. If I can get it, oh, excuse me. If I can get it all in one frame, that would be great. But yeah, here she is. And you have my little chair here. It's cute. And there's me. Hi. Oh wait, focus. And you have this thing here that I just have some random palettes in, some that look really cute. And then on the wall, I have my friends, everybody that I love. And then here's my first set of Alex drawers. I have my primers in this drawer, foundation, concealer, powders in this drawer, and these two are empty. And then I have all my lipsticks in this drawer. And then I have more lipsticks here. And then the rest of those are empty, but they will be filled up soon. And then I have my brushes over here, my little brush cleaner, just some cute little decorations up there. Those lashes are my fave. And then right here I have, this is a K and S for me and my mom, because we share this. And then I have a little mirror here. It's really cute. And then my ring light, and then just some palettes that I didn't want to put up because I use them all the time. And then some highlighters, some Farsali stuff, just stuff that like looks cute, you know? And then I got setting sprays over there. My Anastasia palette collection is finally done. And then here's more of like my everyday stuff, I guess. This is more of the stuff that I use all the time. Then I have a sign up here, just some lashes, it's real cute, and my chandelier is really cute as well. And then I have my makeup case right there, and then a little geometric something, I don't know. And then here's my other set of Alex drawers. So in this top drawer, I just have like singles, like single eyeshadows, single bronzers, blushes, eyebrow stuff like that. And then in this drawer, I have like my blush and bronzer, contour palettes, all of that fun stuff. And then this next drawer is my fave. It's the highlight drawer. It's a lot. Let me just tell you that. It is a lot. It goes way back there. yeah, this is my favorite drawer. It's gonna be between this drawer and the glitter drawer, which you'll see soon. And this next drawer is my mom's stuff. It's just where she keeps all of her stuff she uses every day. This drawer doesn't really have anything in it, just some like cleaning supplies. This drawer is the glitter drawer. It's a lot. This drawer and the highlight drawer is my fave, probably. Just a lot of glitter. This next drawer is just some mascaras, eyeliners, lashes. This drawer is empty. I didn't know that. And these next two drawers are just like palettes. I mean, that's all it is. I've got some palettes here that kind of fit in this little stand that I have. And then this drawer is just not organized, as you can tell. It's not organized. And honestly, a lot of this isn't organized just because I haven't gotten around to it. But yeah, this will all be organized eventually. But as of right now, this is the makeup room. It's not very big, but it is my space and I love it so much. I'm in here all the time. Literally all the time. Oh, and the countertop! I didn't even show you guys the countertop. And here's my countertop. This is what a lot of people were asking me about. Me and my mom just basically put some glitter into some resin, poured it over a tabletop, and bam, that was it. But no, it's super pretty. I love it so much. So yeah, that's what you guys have been waiting for. I think I'm gonna film like a collection video soon. So like one video will be like eyeshadows or one video will be like highlighters or something like that. I don't know. I want to do something like that because I know a lot of you really want to see what all I have in my collection, and yeah, I'll be on that very soon. Also, look at my sweatshirt. It's so cute. It's Mickey Mouse. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the yes, English, please, Sam, please, thank you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below if you're not already subscribed, and a love bug. That was so cringy. I cannot believe I just said that. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.